哎，他在看啥？
Do you know like I want to buy these umbrellas? And I was wondering like if I can like it's they paper and can I
Hi, do you need any help?
oh yes, can I use them in the rain?
Yes, of course. It's the earliest umbrella in the world.
Oh, I see.
This one suit you.
Oh, what about this one? What do you think?
So beautiful. This one suit you.
第一句春路晚，我就到了陈江南。
金色的面目，而我在等你。月色被打捞起，晕开了结局。如传世的青花瓷，自顾自美丽，迷人的笑意。
It's very lucky day for me and I just want to take this umbrella back because this umbrella full of my memories.
I'm different because I want to take you back.